equation of line perpendicular to the line represented by the equation y is equal negative 1/3 x minus 2 and passing through point 4 negative 3 is. And we have 4 equations. Because we have to find the line perpendicular, we know that the slope of perpendicular lines cannot be the same. We have here negative 1/3. So for sure the first and the second equation cannot be our solution, because perpendicular line, when we have general form of linear function y is equal mx plus b, then when we have two perpendicular lines, then the slopes, the multiplication of the slopes, so m, and the slope of our line is negative 1/3, so m times negative 1/3 should be equal negative 1 when we have two perpendicular lines only. So to find m from this equation will be very easy. We have to multiply both sides of our equation by negative 3. So 3 and 3 we will reduce. Negative times negative will be positive. So we have on the left side only m is equal negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. So we have the slope of our perpendicular line is 3. To find equation of our line, we have to find the b. B is y-intercept. We have also given here that this perpendicular line passes through point 4, negative 3. So 4, negative 3. Because this line passes through this point, so this is our x coordinate, this is y coordinate. To find b, we just substitute to general form of our equation y, x, and we calculate the m. M is 3. So let me rewrite our equation. We have y is equal, m we substitute by 3, x we copy, plus b. Only unknown is b, because this line passes through this point. So we can substitute x by 4 and y by negative 3. So it will be negative 3 is equal 3, x is 4, and b we copy. We have equation only with one unknown b. Negative 3 is equal 3 times 4 is 12 plus b. So b is equal, when we move 12 to the left side, so it will be negative 12 and negative 3, so this is negative 15. We have b. So our line will have equation y is equal, m we have is 3. We calculate b, we have also x we copy, and we have negative 15. So only the fourth equation is the same, 3x minus 15. Like I said, first two equations are not our solution because we have perpendicular lines. So the slope must be different, cannot be the same. When we have the same slope, we have negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, then these lines are parallel. We have to find perpendicular, so the slope, when we multiply these two slopes, we have to get negative 1. So this is our solution, the fourth.